And before you ask, my son is perfectly okay. He is back to his normal asshole self. Barely even has any boo-boos. I'm the one that has all the boo-boos. So fun. I apparently managed to catch myself with my right side because I fucked up my hip, my knee, my elbow, my wrist, my shoulder, my back, and my neck. Oh, and my rib. Can't forget my rib. So, yeah. Never again. If he falls asleep up there, he stays asleep up there. I am never, ever doing this shit again. I just don't understand, because I have finally gained a lot of weight. I used to be really skinny. And what the fuck is this fat for if it's not to cushion me when I fall? It didn't help.